Having started with the 5-door hatchback version, the VW Group's Spanish arm added the even prettier 3 doors, followed by the sensible ST Estate and the Octavia Scout engulfing Alltrack sibling, the X-Perience. At the same time, it quietly brought into the UK the engine we've been ready to test. It is the most powerful motor unit in the lineup, unless of course you care to shed your eye at the 286 bhp 2.0-liter TSI engine under the hood of the Cupra 290 models. It's also a fleet-friendly diesel. The high-output 2.0-liter TDI has landed, and, in writing, it's by some margin the most appealing version of an already quite alluring-looking car. Couch has memorable precedent with hot diesel hatchbacks and can claim quite fairly to have been among the earliest to make use of the style. The original seats Leon Cupra TDI, released in the first noughties, experienced 4-wheel drive and was branded Cupra 4 TDI. That version never made it to the UK, nevertheless the front-drive 148 bhp oil burner arrived in the year 2003. It found a ready following for warmer diesel-fueled offerings. Cupra became FR TDI with the second-generation Leon and power flower to 168 bhp, but a little of the original Leon's dynamic magic traveled by the wayside. The FR was a stiffer-legged machine and 5-door only. But just how thrilled should up-and-coming junior professionals be about this cost-effective and fast seat? And should private buyers be excited, too, given the status within the Leon range that its setting suggests? Have we contacted the tipping point where low emissions, high economic climate and torque-laden performance can outweigh the more vivacious fizz of a gas performance hatch? Or do seats more conventional gasoline and diesel options, running from 1.2-liter petrols to installment obligations on your 0-liter petrol, still be preferable?